In the Module 2 assignment, I decided to do my presentation on our 4th grade science unit on organisms. All of the topics I selected for my presentation relate to the structure and function of organisms and feature a different multimedia design principle. The specific format that repeats throughout the presentation is video, related still slide, and multimedia design decisions. Screencast-O-Matic was used to create a video for 5 subtopics of the unit. Once the video was complete, it was uploaded to YouTube and then embedded into PowerPoint. Immediately after the video is a slide that features the final image of the slide with notes for the script included in the notes section. The still slide is then followed by a slide explaining the multimedia design decisions used for that specific principle. After content and design decisions have been shared for all 5 multimedia design principles, the presentation concludes with a Works Cited page.